Hi, I'm Les Blythe, helping you confront WordPress challenges head-on and delivering actionable solutions that work. So you want to build a landing page in WordPress. Cool, here's the process. But fair warning though, if you want to avoid a landing page that will never convert visitors to sign-ups and leave your conversion rate in the toilet, we need to dig a little deeper, so keep watching. Now, making a landing page in WordPress is straightforward, even for beginners. Start by choosing a reliable landing page builder like Elementor, Beaver Builder, or SeedProd, something like that. These offer drag and drop interfaces and pre-designed templates. Now, once installed and activated, you can create a new page and open it up in your chosen builder. From there, you'll typically select a blank canvas or a relevant template, then customize the content by adding headlines, images, videos, forms, and calls to action. Now, remember to optimize for mobile responsiveness and integrate any necessary tracking or analytics tools before publishing. Now, that's the process, but if you want to avoid building a WordPress landing page that you've poured your heart and soul into building it, only to have it just sit there, no leads, no sales, just digital crickets, then listen up. If you're focusing mainly on the technicalities of building the landing page, then you're going about it all wrong. The secret to transforming that pretty page into a lead-generating, sales-closing machine has almost nothing to do with your design skills and everything to do with just a few simple tweaks to your copy. Now, I'm going to reveal the exact copywriting secrets the pros use to turn visitors into customers, all without needing to hire an expensive agency or spending days or weeks trying to figure it all out by yourself. Now, these aren't just theoretical tips from a textbook. For over a decade, I've been in the trenches as a well-paid professional copywriter, crafting words that convert for businesses across many different industries. By the way, if you're interested in developing your own copywriting skills, pick up my free copywriting cheat sheet. There's a link in the description for you. Now, what I'm about to share with you comes directly from my real-world experience, the stuff that actually works and drives sales and generates leads, not just what looks good on paper. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start converting, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a practical, actionable strategies you can implement on your own WordPress landing page today. Now, if you think that's worth a like and subscribe, you know I'd appreciate it. It just takes a second and it helps me to keep providing solid information on help like this for free. There's a subscribe button just at the bottom of the video. There's one basic truth in copywriting that's always held good, and that's that content is king. You can have the most technically perfect, visually stunning WordPress landing page on the planet, but if the words on the page aren't compelling, clear, and conversion focused, it's all for nothing. No amount of fancy plugins, elegant themes, design will make up for the weak, unfocused content. The very first secret to high converting landing page copy, especially on WordPress, is the understanding one goal rule. Now, this might sound obvious, but it's where most people go wrong. Your landing page should have one single clear objective. Are you collecting emails, selling a product, getting someone to download an ebook? Don't try to do everything at once. When your page has too many asks, your visitor gets confused and ultimately bounces. Every word, every image, every button on the page needs to steer your visitor towards that single objective. So before you write a single word, get crystal clear on your page's one single goal. Now let's talk about your secret weapon for crafting truly magnetic copy, and that's empathy. This is your superpower. To write copy that converts, you absolutely must step into your reader's shoes, truly understand their pain points, their frustrations, their deepest desires, and their aspiration. What keeps them up at night? What problems they're desperately trying to solve? When you deeply understand your audience, your copy stops being about your product or service and starts becoming a direct conversation about their needs and how you can meet them. This foundational understanding will infuse every word you write. This now leads directly to your headline. Your headline is arguably the most important piece of copy on the entire page. People often make the mistake of making their headline about their product or the company. Big mistake. Your headline needs to be about your visitor and the biggest pain point or desired outcome, directly reflecting that empathetic understanding you've gained. Now, are they struggling with XYZ promised in the solution? Do they want to achieve ABC? Show them how your offer will get them there. Think about headlines that stop the scroll, tired of X, then get Y, or unlock Z in just 5 minutes. It's all about speaking directly to their needs and their aspirations. Remember, they don't care about your product until they know how it benefits them. Now let's talk about the classic marketing mistake of confusing features with benefits. Features are what your product has, benefits are what your customer gets. Now this is a critical distinction for conversion, and it's directly tied to empathy. Nobody cares that your software has 24/7 support. They care that they can get instant help anytime, day or night, so they never feel stuck or frustrated. Do you see the difference now? When you write your copy, always translate features into tangible, positive outcomes for your customer. Why should they care? How will their life be better? Answer that and you're golden. Finally, let's talk about your CTA, your call to action. This is where you tell your visitor exactly what you want them to do. Now, don't use generic terms like submit or click here. Be specific, benefit-driven, and action-orientated. Instead of download, try get my free guide now. Instead of learn more, try unlock my discount. Make it clear what they'll gain by clicking and create a sense of urgency or excitement. Your CTA is the final nudge, so make it count. So to quickly recap, define your one goal, leverage your empathy as your superpower to craft a benefit-driven headline, focus on benefits over features, and craft an irresistible call to action. Apply these to your WordPress landing pages, and I promise you'll start seeing a difference. Now, if you find these tips valuable and you're serious about mastering copywriting for your business, or for a new career even, I've got something for you. I've put together my Copywriter cheat sheet, 25 success secrets. Now, this isn't just another list of tips you can find anywhere. The cheat sheet reveals the unvarnished truth about what it really takes to succeed in copywriting, the things no one else is prepared to tell you. It'll help you decide if copywriting is truly right for you without having to drop $2,500 or more on a costly course. Now, the link is down below, so download your free copy in the description and go grab it now. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical, actionable advice, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.